Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so troubleshooting targets the real issue. You check the system tray and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and airplane mode is off. This rules out simple toggles. Next, power cycle the router and confirm another device can access the network, because if other devices fail, the Chromebook isn't at fault. Finally, note your Chromebook model and Chrome OS version to apply model-specific fixes later. Once done with basics, you forget the network and re-add it to clear saved corrupt credentials. This fixes common handshake failures. Then you reset network adapters and sign out to force fresh DHCP and DNS assignments, because stale leases often block connectivity. Use Chrome OS's diagnostics to capture error messages and codes. These specifics guide whether to update drivers, change DNS to 8.8.8, or adjust router security settings like WPA2 versus WPA3 compatibility. To finish, you update Chrome OS and reboot, because many connectivity bugs are fixed in platform updates. If Wi-Fi still fails, test a wired connection with a USB-C Ethernet adapter to determine whether the radio hardware is broken. If wired works, schedule a hardware repair. Otherwise, reconfigure router SSID and encryption. One key troubleshooting tip: if your Chromebook intermittently connects, temporarily set a fixed IP and alternate DNS to rule out DHCP or ISP DNS instability before seeking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.